Hey friends, this is me Abhinas. So I welcome you all to the second video of the SQL series. So in this video, we will be looking at a problem. So that is revising the select query 2. So in the previous video, we had solved the revising the select query 1, where we had to query all of the columns whose country code is USA and population is larger than some value. Okay, so let's see what we have to solve in this question. So we need to query the name field of all American cities in the city table with population larger than this particular value. The country code for America is this. So I think it is pretty simple. Okay, so basically, in this case, what we all need to do is we do not need star right here, because now in this question we are specifically required to print the names of names column only for all the American cities whose country code is basically USA, and the population should larger than this. So this is why we need to print only the names from city where population is larger than this value, and the country code is this country code, yeah, the country code should be USA. And do not forget to write or enter a semicolon after all the query, because the semicolon is basically defines the end of the SQL statement. Otherwise it will consider all the statement that has been written below it, okay, or after it, whatever. So that is why we need to segregate. Okay, we need to segregate our uh, statements such that it should not be a chaos for the program. Okay, anyway, so guys, do mention a semicolon after the statement. This is what I can suggest you. Okay, cool. So country code, so it is accepted. Let's test it out. And it worked. So basically, we had to print the only the name column right here, um, out of all of the columns, and the host population is greater than some value, and the country code should be something. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. And if you have any such queries, then you can simply write your specific queries in the comment section. We'll look into it. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching it.